Professional, excellent, reliable, and trustworthy. Benlida is a PCB and PCBA manufacturer. It started career at 2011 as PCB factory in Jiangmen, Guangdong. Since Shenzhen is the hub of electronics industry with great potentiality and where a lot of customers located, so Benlida set it up a sales and customer service office in Shenzhen. Years later, Shenzhen Benlida expanded the PCB assembly division, SMT workshop with DIP assembly lines, to provide assembly service. As it is well known, Shenzhen is also the distribution hub of electronic components. It is very convenient to source components from domestic to global. Various suppliers, more options, fast delivery. Relying on this supply chain advantages, Benlida built a professional procurement team and strong relationship with many suppliers. From manufacturers to authorized distributors, Benlida sources electronic components with competitive prices and guaranteed quality. There are 3 pillars of Benlida's career: PCB fabrication, component sourcing, and PCB assembly service. Nowadays, Benlida manufactures PCB by various materials for various applications: FR4, HDI, ceramic, heavy copper, rigid flex PCB, and aluminum PCB. Benlida's SMT workshop has 8 SMT lines, combined by Yamaha and Juki, with 3 DSPI, reflow soldering, and AOI, and with 4 DIP lines to assemble PCB correctly and effectively. Benlida is certificated by ISO 9001, IATF 16949, and ISO 13485. And one highlight of our service is engineering ability. Electronic engineers participate the whole progress of manufacturing, from production files examination to supply chain, from production to quality management, from first sample confirmation to batch production. Collaborate with QA engineers. We ensure all processings are correct and all PCB well assembled. Every piece of PCB is a core of electronic device. Every process is critical for the whole system. Benlida focuses on quality, cost, efficiency, provide customer-oriented service for 14 years, dedicated for PCB and one-stop PCB assembly service, prospered the career and earned reputation from customers. Benlida has developed its capacity to provide excellent service to domestic and global market.